Morning from the future home of the Pompey Observatory. Today I'm conducting 3 tests. First one is bandwidth test. Looks like we're live. Second one is doing a horizon scan. Let's see how that goes. That's a bit slow. Let's go just a touch faster. Let's see if that works. This gets me to about due east. Looks like that's going to take a while. I can always speed it up later on, but for now I'm trying to see where horizon is. This is horizon 0. My main interest is finding out if we can indeed get M30 at the end of a Messier marathon or not. Looks like there is a fighting chance that we might. We should be looking almost due south here. Southwest. Now we tackle the power lines, which should not be a problem. If you are trying to chat, I cannot see it right now, so sorry about that. And this is rush hour, so the one vehicle that's supposed to pass has just passed. Now we're looking west. This is due west. Now we're coming back towards the cemetery. The next test is going to be, can I see Polaris from here? Not now, but if we put dwarf at a 40-degree angle, will it clear the trees? If not, how much farther away must I move to clear the trees? Okay, Let's move dwarf up to 40 degrees. It is 40 degrees and we are very, very clear of any trees. Don't know if it's worthwhile doing the scan in the opposite direction, but might as well. Yep, we're very clear. So the next step is going to be putting the sunglasses and going for the sun. Stand by. Sorry about that. As you can tell, I'm operating from the roof of the car. And yes, the key is in the ignition. Oopsie. And here's the sun. And let's see if we can track it. Exposure gain is 0 and shutter is 1/200. Tone white balance. There we go. Haha! The purple sun strikes again. And my experience has been the only way to get out of the purple sun is to restart the device. Reboot now. That is a video that I shall be sending to Dwarf Lab for debugging. If you happen to stumble upon this channel or upon this webcast, please post a note in the chat to let me know that you did. I appreciate it greatly. Because I have no way of finding out whether we were indeed able to stream live from here until I get home. And if there are comments, that will help a lot. Thank you. Function, Suntrack, do it, done already. Gain, we don't want any. Shutter, 200 is good. Infrared, okay. Tone, white balance, yes. Let me go back to, do we have infrared? It is cut, alright. We shall attempt to refocus. Focus, autofocus. Okay, no purple sun this time. And these are the sunspots. By streaming, by using screencast as the way to stream, I have not found a way to set the data rate yet. So we'll keep working on that. The good news is there is no data cap from T-Mobile for screencasting using the 5G cell phone. So in theory, we should be able to screencast at whatever speed we want. And while we're at it, I'm going to perform a quick speed test. Dwarf will be back to you. Just as a reminder that I'm doing what they tell us not to do, namely doing a speed test while using data to stream. Nevertheless, 100 plus megabits per second is healthy. The more important part is the upload speed. It says 13, don't know when it measured it, but that is very, very healthy indeed. I want to see that again. $100 download. It's just doing a little for the upload and telling us it's good. Whatever. Let me go back to Dwarf. Tracking the sun. And this concludes my brief test, which I can proclaim as success, success, and success. So I'm going to readjust the dwarf and take another quick horizon scan at high speed. So we're gonna stop tracking the sun. Move out of the way. Now I should be able to remove the sunglasses. Be back. Alright, let's scan. I will return here at night to identify places where I can see Polaris. It would be unfortunate if we poured a concrete slab and then discovered afterwards that cannot see Polaris from it. I'm banking on the fact that truck traffic will be less pronounced at night, and still that'll be to the west. So this is a complete scan. It's gonna hit the edge very soon. Yep. Okay. This completes this test run from the future home of the Pompey Observatory. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you tonight. Should be a clear night, actually, when I get back to the current home of the Pompey Observatory. We will try to take a more detailed look at the sun and see what's going on with it. But for now, so long.